Okay guys, so I'm about to head in the car right now. I don't know if you guys could see me. Hey guys, so I'm here at the movies. They're kind of playing music, so I don't want to be copyrighted. So I'll let you guys know when I'm in. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so I got the nachos right here. It's really, really nice. Can't wait to eat. Hey you guys, so we're gonna go watch Bad Boys. I said we, I mean me, by myself. Gonna watch Bad Boys, so we're here. We are here, guys. Oh, it hasn't even started yet. It's still commercial. And they said that it was gonna start like 9:30. And it's already past 9:30 a little bit, so.
Don't be taking your time. Yeah, my man.
Ain't open the register.
No.
Now!
Sir, mind your business with your tattletailing ass.
Everybody shut the fuck up!
Sir, I'm gonna need you to lower your weapon.
Come take my weapon then, motherfucker.
Don't antagonize him.
Marcus.